Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a room tour. I'm standing outside of my room right now. This is what my door looks like, and my bathroom is right here. If you guys want a bathroom tour, just let me know because it's decorated super cute as well. But yeah, so this is the outside of my door and we're about to go in. Alright, so when you open my door, this is kind of like what you see. Yeah, it's kind of like boring, but we're gonna go inside and I'm just gonna do a quick overview. Yeah, so that's pretty much the little overview. So now I'm gonna go into more detail. I'm gonna close my door. And we're gonna start off by my dresser right here. All right, so this is my TV and my dresser. So on top of my dresser, I just have this little fake little plant. And I got this from Las Vegas when I went. It's like a little, I'm gonna use it as an ashtray, but yeah. And then I have my little speaker. This is the remote to my lights. Yeah, so they have a whole bunch of different colors and you can make it move and all that good stuff. Then over here, I have my candle. It's in the scent Georgia Peach. Love it. I don't know if I should like go into my drawers because like they're really messy. Yeah, I'll just like quickly open, show you guys. Oh yeah, I have another speaker. In this drawer, I keep like all my sweats and like pants and stuff. Yeah, it like bothers me when like the clothes stick out. In this drawer, I keep all my shirts. It's really messy, guys. Like all my sleep shorts and like, yeah. And then some more shirts and I don't even know. But yeah, so that's my little dresser. And then I got this lamp from my grandma and I really like it. Over here, I have my jewelry box. So this jewelry box, long story about how I got it, but this is rice water. I use rice water on my hair and this is what I used to keep it in. This shit stinks and yeah, it stays right there. On top of this, I have my book. I'm almost done with it. It's taking a little while for me to finish it. My journal and then my old journal. I got a better looking one. This is my journal that I use now to like, you know, journal and stuff. And then that one's my old one. And then this is where I just keep my mail. I haven't opened that. And in here, nothing is in these drawers, nothing at all. These are like, I don't even know why these are here, honestly. Like, I don't wear those. Don't even wear this, so has the tag on it. Like, and then beside this is my mirror. I'm not gonna get in there because I look ratchet. But I got this mirror from freaking Bed Bath & Beyond. And it's super cute. In the back of it, you can like adjust this to how you want it to like stand or whatever. And then so beside my mirror is my bed. This is my favorite part about my room. I got these lights from freaking, where did I get this? I think Walmart, honestly, or Target. And then yeah, I got this tapestry from Amazon. And then I just hung up some lights around here. You see these don't work, but. And then, so from my bed, over here, this is my like work backpack. I just keep it there because I'm always at work. And then over here, I have my vanity. I just cleaned it for you guys, barely, but yeah, so I keep all my perfume on my vanity. So I have perfume on this side and then on this side as well. And then yeah, this is pretty much like all my little junk of makeup. I have more of my makeup down there, and then my laptop just sits there. And yeah, it's supposed to, this vanity is supposed to have a drawer, but I never figured out how to put that bitch on, so you know, YOLO. And then besides my vanity, I have my closet. My closet is honestly, okay, I'm gonna just show you guys, cause why not? So this is one side of my closet. You know, I just keep like, I don't even know, like, looks really weird. These plastic bags are in here because I keep like plastic bags in my garbage, so it's easier to take out. But I just keep all my purses over here. I have a vacuum cleaner, my bongs. I got sent 3 bongs from Wax Made. There's another one in here somewhere. And then I have like a green one somewhere, and I need to review these ASAP, so stay on the lookout for that. And then, yeah, this is one side of my closet. Pretty much just shoes, honestly. So yeah, nothing special at all. So yeah, guys, that was my room tour. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I just wanted to show you guys my room. I'm always working on it, so this is probably not like, this is not even the final like product or whatever you want to call it, but this is what it is so far. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.